Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. SriNagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about the most common question which frequently people ask, how much exercise I should do? Like I should do rigorous exercise or I should do just little bit exercise, or some people just want to do intense exercise, and what is the best time to do intense exercise and in which part of the day I should exercise. So these are the most common questions which people get confused with. So let's see how we choose exercise. Your purpose to do exercise is to lose weight, like your intention is mainly to lose weight, and only with that purpose if you want to do intense exercise, so the best time to do super intense exercise is winter season, because in hot weather, when the weather is very hot, that time already hot weather is vata aggravating. So that time if you do exercise also, it will aggravate your vata too much. For fat people, like those people who want to lose weight, they can make use of little bit this summer season, but still it is not like that those people who are having a lot of weight and they want to reduce weight, if they do rigorous exercise in summer season, that time they will their vata dosh will not get aggravated. Anybody who will do rigorous exercise during summer season, his vata dosha will get aggravated. Now it depends, if your vata dosha is very balanced, then its aggravation will not cause a lot of problems in your system. But if you're a person like vata person who has tendency to lose weight and who is suffering from a lot of vata related digestive disorders, in which there is imbalanced digestive fire, digestion is issue, weight gain is issue, weight loss is happening, strength is not there, blood is very less, anemia patient is there, or very less proteins in the body, very less carbohydrates, very disturbed metabolism, or some very difficult disease that you are handling. So in all these cases, if you do exercise in summer season, it will aggravate the vata dosha, and then after doing exercise you will feel super bad, and then people make conclusion like, okay, exercise is bad for health. But actually exercise is not bad for health, but the way we choose it, that is our choice is many times bad. If you know like your body is not having so much strength, then no need to do rigorous exercise, because if body doesn't have strength, if you are sick, if your digestive fire is low, so whenever you choose exercise according to your body strength, because exercise is not some kind of medicine that will yield health. If you are in bad health, exercise will yield health. Exercise is needed, but there are conditions that are associated with exercise. It is not like the solution for every disease is exercise. It's not like that. The solution for every disease is, first you pay attention, you diagnose your disease, you see what is the nature of this disease, you try to stop the things which are causing or aggravating that disease. You can consult your doctor, like in this specific disease, can I do exercise? How much exercise is recommended for me? So these are the simple questions that person should ask, so that if you are willing to do exercise, exercise will work in favor of you, not against you. Because there are situations like when it's not recommended rigorous exercise, like in cardiac patients, in renal dialysis patients, or in persons with fractures, this, that, operations, surgeries. It's natural common sense that exercise is not recommended, but sometimes we are so obsessed with our exercises that we don't want to stop ourselves, because definitely when you do exercise, it gives certain amount of happiness within us, it gives certain amount of relaxation, but still we need to choose consciously whether this exercise will work for us or it will work against us. whether I should choose for mild exercise, intense exercise or moderate exercise. Because if we pay attention to these things, exercise will work in favor of us. So that's all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. So with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care.